Hi guys, Mrs. Hanson here again to do Tuesday's phonics lesson. It is lesson 151, page 301 to 302. So go ahead and grab it, put your name on the top, and let's get started. Okay, so we are learning how to place words or a list of words in ABC order. So they have listed the alphabet for you, all right? And we've done this in class, so you guys are super familiar with how to put words in ABC order. We've done it with our spelling words, so you guys are pros at this. But just a refresher, since you probably haven't done it in a while, you look at your list of words and you figure out, you look at the first letter and you figure out which one does the first letter come in the alphabet first. So like does V, N, or S come first in the alphabet? Well, if you look, N comes first, so that tells us note is going to be our first word in alphabetical order for this set of words. So we've used note, and then we look at V or S. Which one comes first? Well, S comes first, so then that tells us sister is going to come next. And then that leaves us with voice. All right. So looking at this next set of words, let's look at the first letter. We have a T in twist, F in friend, or C in coin. Which letter comes first, T, F, or C? C. So we're going to put coin first. Okay. And then F or T, which one comes first? So we can look. F comes first, so that means friend is next. And then that leaves us with twist. All right, let's look at the next one. Bear, lake, or geyser. So we have B, L, or G. Which one comes first? Bear, then G or L. Well, let's look. Oh, G comes first, so geyser would be next. And then that leaves us with lake. All right, and then our last set of words here, we have ranger, so R, eagle, so E, and wolf, so W. Which letter comes first, R, E, or W? You can look at our alphabet. E comes first, so eagle would be first. Then R or W, let's look. Oh, R comes next, so ranger. And then our last one would be wolf. All right, number 2, circle the word that comes first in ABC order in each group. So we're looking at the words in the box, noon or sun. So does N or S come first? We can look back up at our alphabet. N comes first, so noon would come first. Ball or axe? Does B come first or A? That one's pretty easy because A is the first letter of the alphabet. Saucer or flower? Does S or F come first? Hopefully you said F. Crane or log? Which one would come first, C or L? You can look up at your alphabet if you need help. C comes first. Tickle or salt? So does T or S come first? This one's kind of tricky because they're close together. S comes first. So we're going to circle salt. So M for moose or O for obey? These ones are also close together. M actually comes before O, so we're going to circle moose. How you guys doing? Good? Okay, number 3. A dictionary is a book that tells us about words. The words are in ABC order. Color the bubble next to the word that would come first in the dictionary. So we are doing essentially the same thing. Which one would come first, red or green? Which letter comes first, G or R? G, so we are going to color in the bubble for green. Freeze or vanilla, which one comes first, F or V? F, you are correct. Tulip or rose, which one would come first, T or R? You can look up here, R comes first, so rose. And then firefighter and doctor, which one would come first? Doctor, the D for doctor. Okay. Then down on the dictation, it is a sentence, so you're going to write the sentence. Jan and I can't go to the party. 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 All right, so go ahead and check your sentence here. Jan and I can't go to the party. And then I want you to go ahead and circle the contraction that you see in there. What is the contraction that you see? You should circle can't. And what are the two words that make up that contraction? Can and not. Okay, so now we're on the back side of the paper, page 302. Number 1 says, draw an arrow from the adverbs to the green verbs they describe. So the breeze is blowing calmly through the pine trees as we pull up to the campground. So blowing is my verb there. What is my adverb that is describing the blowing? It is calmly blowing. So we're going to draw an arrow from calmly to blowing. Number 2, write an adjective in each blank that describes the red noun. Draw a picture of your tent. So it says, here is an amazing tent. It has blank doors. So you can write, you get to fill this in all the way to the bottom about what your tent looks like. You're using adjectives, so they answer how many, how much, or what kind and how many, okay? So then when you're done filling it in, you're going to draw a picture of it, all right? And that's it for this backside. You guys can do it. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.